Have you ever struggled to locate specific parts or assemblies in a sea of technical information? Look no further. ProLibro is here to revolutionize your experience with illustrated parts lists and catalogs. Say goodbye to manual page flipping. ProLibro's Smart Search feature lets you swiftly locate the exact part numbers or assemblies you need. No more wasted time, just efficient, pinpoint results. Navigating through complex information is a breeze with ProLibro's intuitive contents tree structure. Seamlessly jump between sections and chapters to find the information you're after. Additional parts list breakdown. Dive into the assembly breakdown, reminiscent of the classic parts lists. Each item number is cleverly linked to its corresponding illustration, ensuring lightning-fast identification of part numbers. Bidirectional linking. Ever wanted to bridge the gap between illustrations and parts lists? ProLibro's bidirectional linking lets you do just that. Click on an item in the illustration, and watch as the relevant part lights up in the parts list, and vice versa. Get up close and personal with the illustrations. ProLibro empowers you to zoom in and explore every detail. Need to find a specific part? No problem, navigate effortlessly for a detailed view. Tired of jumping through hoops to place orders? ProLibro streamlines the process by allowing you to directly link part numbers to your parts ordering system. Build shopping baskets, compile lists, and order parts seamlessly, all within ProLibro. Unlike any other platform, ProLibro's unique capability allows you to view external applications within the tool. Experience uninterrupted interaction and fluid process flow for enhanced productivity. Step into the future of technical information access. Let ProLibro empower you with its dynamic features, reshaping the way you interact with parts lists and catalogs. No more hunting for information, ProLibro brings everything together, ensuring you have what you need at your fingertips. Revolutionize the way you handle illustrated parts lists and catalogs with ProLibro. Your gateway to a new era of technical information management.